Oh, Dr. Soul.
Hello, soon-to-be Masters of Mathematics. My name is Delarante Reedus, and I will be your guide on this 8-week Soul Math Path to Greatness. Math mastery is a goal, a dream, a profession, a future. Math is not just math. Sorry. You know, sometimes I just get worked up about talking about math. Remember, I'm Delarante, also known as Dr. Soul. I'm sure you are all wondering, what's so great about math? Well, first off, just first, money! See, I have your attention now. You need math to count, manage, and even swim in your own money. When you get rich from advancing your math skills, you will know exactly what dimensions to use to create your very own money bath. You can also use math to create programs and apps for phones and computers. Imagine having one of those old school clunkers as a phone. Terrible, right? Well, with advanced math and computer science skills, iPhones were created. You can make it happen too. Yes, you. Always attempt to grit and grind out 30 minutes on Soul Math each and every day. That's right, 30 minutes a day. If you're having just too much fun, you can always do more. Do more and you'll build your confidence. Go back to school ahead, not behind. Let nothing get in the way of your path to greatness. Everything has a beginning. Make your beginning of Soul Math extraordinary. Sorry. You know, sometimes I just get worked up. If on your journey towards success you need anything, please don't hesitate to call myself, Dr. Soul. I can be reached at 901-312-3168. Again, that's 901-312-3168. Or you can email me at soulmath@memphischallenge.org. Be sure to check your email for your weekly progress report on Monday and look forward to the next segment of your path to greatness. I applaud each and every one of you for your beginning.